Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto. Excuse me. Here today I'm going to show you today's install, which we've done on an Ecosport, which is from the Ford range. The customer actually came in with a issue with existing radio, where he had some issues with the TPMS, and I think he had an aftermarket Sanyo radio in there, so he wasn't able to switch it off, so obviously it was failing his MOT. So he decided to go for our system here, which is it's classed as an OEM replica, so it's basically designed for the car. It comes with this frame here, goes right towards the back, towards where the air conditioning vents are. You get this screen which is incorporated into the frame too. As you can see, this is our A-Core processor one. We do have a couple of other ranges that these type of screens, you can change these screens with different spec. We always do advise going for an A-Core one, but if you're on a budget, then obviously you can go down the 4-core range, which is a little bit cheaper. So I'll just give you a little demonstration on the system today. This is our A499 model, I'll put the link into the description down below so you can have a little look on the website. But I'll just go and give you a little run through of what the system's got and sort of how it incorporates into the car's own sync system and stuff like that. So obviously these buttons all down here will still work. Now you do use the power cable from this to link to this, so obviously if you're expecting the CD section to work, it's not going to work with the system here, so just bear that in mind. But I'll just go give you a little rundown here. This one is your navigation icon. You can assign any map of choice to there, so if you wanted Waze or Copilot, Sidekick, TomTom, obviously you can download it from the Play Store and it'll assign it to that button, so obviously you have it there. It's not going to show you the map now because it needs an internet connection. This type, it's Google Maps, so it does need a data connection with your phone. It does come also with a 4G SIM card holder, so obviously you can put a SIM card into it too, but you're not going to get much on that app there. Here's your Bluetooth app here. This is basically just obviously where you connect your Bluetooth to the Android side. If you're going to be using the CarPlay, the Android Auto, which is both wireless on Style 2 and 3 on the website, then obviously this it links into the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi of the system. This app here is just basically, you can change the skin. So this part, you can see the home page. You can change all this to a multitude of choices by clicking on that one, but it is an online app and up again, so obviously you do need an internet connection with it. This one's your radio. Works with your steering wheel controls, so as you can see. Also, another good thing which I've noticed with this is it does have a voice activation button on the steering wheel control, which is just by the volume. If you're an Ecosport, you will be familiar with this because you can just go and have a look. So if I'm going to press the voice activation button, this is what we'll get. So there you go.
Please say a command.
There you go, that's a nice new feature for you. So we'll take you through to the sync application there. So let's go into the back end settings.
Try saying a device name, like phone or USB. Main menu.
Close.
Say a command.
Close. Hopefully.
Try saying a device name, like audio, CD or radio.
Oh dear, what have I done? So yeah, she can go away anyway. So basically, I'll just go into this here. There's a few little applications there, which is APK install if you do want to add applications onto the system which the Play Store don't have, like the Uploader app and stuff like that. You can do a third party by putting a USB pen and then putting it in there and just uploading it through this application. Don't want that one there for. Let's have a little look. Games to play on. No, I don't know. Okay, let's go back 1 second. So settings here. As you can see, this is a lot of the back end settings for the Android here, which you would expect with Android. So things you can change like your networks and stuff like that. Aux, if you want to add anything to it, like a TV box, Bluetooth, already showed you that. Boost animation showed you that. Okay, so there's the car settings app here, which basically gives you a lot of the car's computer information. I did mention at the beginning of the video about the TPMS issue that the customer had and not being able to turn the alert off, which was showing a little a warning message on the dash. Obviously it was going to fail his MOT. So as you can see down here is a tyre monitor option there. Loads of little things you can switch on and off, seat massage and park assist function and stuff like that. As you can see, just as I slowly scroll down, you can see a lot of the computer information on here, which is quite good for these type of systems, because when you stick an aftermarket radios in, you tend to lose all this, but obviously you don't with us. Okay, let's go back one. Chrome, which is obviously just a browser, everyone knows it is. DSP, so if you want to customize the sound output on there, you do have a lot of options there to do that. As I say, if you're a technophobe like myself, I haven't really got a clue, but as I say, with the DSP, so obviously you can play around with the speaker outputs on there. Let's have a little look. E-manual, DAB radio. DAB is optional on the system. You can add it through the means of a USB device, which we sell on the website, but you can also just download an online one if you want to, don't mind connecting your phone to it. Music here, so if you want to put your music or any movies on a pen drive, and you can play the music through that file there. Here's your Play Store icon. So obviously if you've got a Play Store, just so you haven't got one, log on through the Google Play website, just create a kind of account with a password and email address, and then you can log on there and download any apps of choice. Okay, let's have a look. Radio, which we showed. This is also the CarPlay one. So I have connected my phone to it today, which is an Apple product. Now if you're an Android user, you do get Android Auto and not the CarPlay. But as you can see, it's nice and responsive, which basically is bringing a few apps from the phone, like my Apple Maps, Google Maps. Here's a DAB radio on my WhatsApp and stuff like that. As you can see, it's nice and swift and responsive. You won't get any lag because obviously they core processor and we only sell good units. So let's go back one. Okay, video, YouTube. So here we go, is the sync aux, which we should show you before once the voice thing kicked in, and we couldn't turn it off because obviously I'm not an Ecosport owner. Phone, another option there too. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you liked the video. You can put a rear camera to this if you want, but the customer has gone for today. So I hope you like the system, and if you do have any questions, then just fire away in the comments section down below, or give us a call or drop us an email. With all our details will be in the description also. And we hope to see you soon. Have a nice day, and I'll bring you another video soon. Thank you.